In today's episode, we'll be drawing Occamy. Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are Hello guys, in today's episode we'll be drawing Occamy from the Fantastic Beast and Where to Find Them. Since the movie is coming out, it came out this week. So I'd like to dedicate this episode to the movie itself. So I'm starting off with wavy lines, like the opposite of an S shape, and then just creating the body of the Occamy creature. So the wavy lines goes from thin to a thicker body at the bottom. It basically looks a bit like a snake. So I'm creating the fold of the body. And I'm gonna start creating the wings, because this Occamy creature, it looks like a combination of a snake and also a bird. It can actually fly. So I'm creating the wings at the back of the body. Then moving on to the face. The wings is halfway through though, I'm not done with it yet. So I'm just going to move on to the face first. And making the shape smaller so I can fit in the wings and the rest of the body. So there's still a lot of things to learn from Procreate. There's a lot of flexibility when you do a digital drawing on Procreate. You can adjust the size and everything. So there's still a lot to learn and a lot to practice. But practice makes perfect. And even though if it's not perfect, it's okay. So now we're continuing on with the wings, the left side. So the wings of Occamy is actually quite big. So it goes over the head and then back down towards the body. So I'm creating reference lines before I add in the details. So I know where the wing ends and where it starts from. Drawing the other side of the wings. So same thing for this side. Start to draw the reference lines first and then the details of the wings. And then moving on to the rest of the body. There's this curved line at the back. And then on the right side is the continuation of the snake-like body. And it goes down towards the tail. So the body of the Occamy has a lot of folds, especially towards the back. So it takes a lot of readjustments of the body. It has to flow nicely. So as usual, I'm using the pencil tool to sketch out the drawing first. Then I'll go over with the pen tool later. So it's a series of curves for the back of the body. So I'm readjusting the neck to make it look slightly thicker. And adding in a few details for the folds of the body. And I'm adding the details of the face, nose, as well as the eyes. I also feel like the Occamy looks a bit like a dragon because of its facial features. Then drawing the details of the ears. And for the hair, which I'll add later on when we're doing the coloring. it's time to color. But before we do that, we shall outline first. So for the Occamy, I used the airbrushing tool in about 3 colors, which is purple, blue, and later on I'll add a bit of green. So just to blend the colors together. Then a little white and black for the tones, light and dark shadows, and also a bit of yellow for the head area. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Hope you enjoy it. Do comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you everyone. Bye.